Today we will review the Just for Men 5-minute brush in beard and mustache hair dye kit that lasts until the gray grows back and will absolutely not wash out. It comes in many colors to match every possible hair color. The kit includes everything you need to go from white to gray super quickly, and it's going to leave your beard feeling super smooth until it grows back. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's up guys? So today we're going to be doing the Just for Men hair dye. I don't really have a lot of grays on my head, none at all, but however, right here, you can see for some reason I just have whites. So we're gonna just basically dye this.
Yeah, one's color base and the other one is color developer. So you gotta mix the two together. So as you can see, we want to stir it with this end of the stick or the brush, and then make sure it's consistent all the way through.
And again, we used up only a dab, and there's 14 grams in here. Alright, so you just want to put a little bit on here for your allergy test. Just kind of like that. You can rub it into the skin with your finger if you want. And then just kind of leave it there for 5 minutes. If you get any red or blotchy or anything like that, or it's tingling, you know that you're allergic, so you probably want to use a different product. But I've already obviously did an allergy test, so we're going to apply this right now to our beard. We are dyeing a beard with the Just for Men solution. Of course, it's going to last until your hair grows out and you trim it. It's been 5 minutes and you can see it's really dark, so I'm actually going to zoom in on your white hairs. You can feel the tingle because of the bleach doing its thing. Alright, so I had it on for 6 minutes, and what you're going to realize is that if you have stubble, then you're gonna have like a very weird fade line, but that's as long as you shave it. So I actually just shaved, and you can see the difference. Definitely darker than the stash that I have, but I had it on for 6-7 minutes, and I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, if your hair is super white, I definitely see this working. There's a little bit of tingle though after about 3-4 minutes. So that's the video. I definitely recommend the product.